Hey guys, Doc. Normally I think a little bit and I actually do halfway decent videos. I try to. This isn't one of those. I actually have to replace the dog door, and I figured while I'm doing that I might as well go ahead and show you the dog door that we have, that we didn't pick, that was here when we bought the house. But it's worked so well over the years that I figured I'd just go ahead and replace it. Something happened to it. So the main thing is I want to show you that this can be put into an exterior door. The people that installed it, they cut a hole out, they installed this, and it's so simple to install. Works really well, has an automatic collar, a door thing on it if you want to use that. We just use open and lock, and then at the end I'll show you a little sort of blocking thing that I sort of came up with. It's kind of stupid, but it works. That's it. I'll put a link in the description below to this doggy door, and hit subscribe. Like I said, I just push record on the camera. That's all I did. So it's just me replacing this door. Hey guys, so what am I doing today? The girl's doggy door is no longer working, so I'm gonna replace it. I don't know how old this is. We bought the house about 4 years ago, and I'm assuming that this was put in probably about 4 years before that. So I'm assuming this is about 8 years old, and it's performed flawlessly. But the other day, somehow one of the dogs was going out, my wife knocked the door off, and now it's just not functioning right. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it. And what I'm going to replace it with is the exact same model because it's done so well and I like this thing. And I already have the right hole size in the door. So while I'm taking it off, I figured I'd just go ahead and shoot it in case you're looking for a dog door. This is a standard outside door. It's got a steel surround on it. It needs to be clean. So there's my hole. So basically they've come in here and they've cut a square hole here, certain size, and then slid this in and then screwed it together. So that's what you need to do. Watch out. So here's the new one. So I believe that this little thing here, that's what goes on the dog's collar and tells it that it can go out. So I think want you to know that this is professional video shooting here. So basically we just have these screws to put in. 6 screws. Fall the other way. Whenever you use a screwdriver as or a drill driver as a ratchet, always set it on the lightest setting. So, and that way you don't risk breaking the plastic. Then they're all nice and tight, the door is nice and stable. Then we go in here, just because I know how to use this one. Batteries in is you sort of put them in like that and then flatten them. That's what I've learned. So that one goes like that, that one goes like that. Put them in just like this. Again, put them in just like this. Put that in there. flat. You're gonna see it's gonna flash that it says it's locked. So there's an automatic, so you have a red light. So you have a red light, unlocked light, which is green, and then an automatic, which is yellow. And then you have a learn button. And the learn button, I believe, button is for these things that go in the dog's collar. And you can order more of these. It comes with one. The mode and hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. There. Boom. The door is now open. Did you hear that? So now, the door, they can go in and out. Now it has little magnets here on the side. And see how it sort of settles just like that? It's nice and smooth, nice and quiet. Then when you want to lock it, same thing. Right here, go to this one. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, and you just flash through to the red. And the door squeezes down. Boom, and it's locked. And it's tough. Now let me show you a little trick I have. Alright, so that's pretty much done, but I'm going to show you one extra little step that I do. I just found a piece of wood. It's like a 12 to 14 inch board, and I bought these square hooks for the top. Let me show you in a handle. So I want the dog to know when it's locked. And I also want to keep, during the winter time, you can get some coldness come through here. So here's what I do. At night we put this on there. I drilled 2 little holes here, and you can see I have these little hooks here, metal hooks screwed to the back of the wood, and then I have a handle, and all I do is I just hook this in just like this. Oops, go on, just like that and like that. And that's what we do. Now if you want to paint it white, you can paint it white, but the other thing we do is we also usually just hook a blanket or something over this. She also knows that she can't go outside. So when I put that board up, they know they can't go outside. One of the things you just got to be careful about is a dog running up to it and hitting their head. So that's why I put something physical up there to let them know that the door is off limits and closed. I don't even have to lock the door during the day. I can just put that. I'm going to cut the grass. I put the board up. Everyone knows that the board is up for a reason. Don't let the dogs out. All right.
Say, I'm too little. Oh. I'm too little. I don't go through the door. No, it's hot up here.
All right, so that's the doggy door. Like I said, that thing's been here since we moved in, and it's performed flawlessly. We never have to worry about it. It just happened to break the other day. Link in the description below to where you can get it. I found it. Actually, Amazon was actually the cheapest place that I found for this. So I'll link. They make 2 sizes. They make this one, and they make a little dog door. Linda could go through it if she wanted to. She's real little, but she just doesn't like dog doors. The fat one goes in and out all day. Anyways, that's it, guys. We'll go in. It's too hot out here. Later. Doc.